Hi everyone! In today's video, you'll learn how to fix the 404 error in Google Chrome using a few simple and effective methods. This error usually appears when a web page cannot be found, and it can happen due to incorrect URLs, cached data, or network issues. Let's go step by step and resolve it. First, start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data, switch to the Advanced tab, and select a time range such as the last 7 days or All Time for a more thorough cleanup. Make sure cookies and cached images are selected, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, try accessing the website again. In many cases, this step alone resolves the issue by removing outdated or corrupted files. Next, take a moment to check the URL carefully. A 404 error often occurs because the page you're trying to visit has been moved, deleted, or the address was typed incorrectly. Double-check for spelling mistakes, missing characters, or extra symbols. If possible, navigate to the website's homepage and try to locate the page from there instead of using an old or saved link. If the issue still persists, move on to network troubleshooting. Open your system's control panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. From there, select Troubleshoot Problems and run the Network Troubleshooter. This tool will automatically detect and fix common connection issues that might be preventing pages from loading correctly. You can also try performing a network reset. In your system settings, go to Advanced Network Settings and look for the option labeled Network Reset. Click on it and confirm the action. This will reset your network adapters and configurations, which can fix deeper connectivity issues. After completing the reset, restart your computer and test the website again. Additionally, if you're accessing a website you manage, such as a blog or platform, make sure the page hasn't been deleted or its link structure hasn't changed. Sometimes server-side changes can lead to 404 errors even when everything looks correct on your end. By following these steps, clearing browsing data, verifying the URL, and troubleshooting your network, you should be able to fix most 404 errors in Google Chrome. That's all for this video. If you found this guide useful, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.